Samsung might finally be about to fix one of the biggest problems people have had with foldable phones for years. And if the leaks are right, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 won't just be thinner or lighter. It could completely change the way we use foldables. But before we get to that, there's another upgrade that could make the Fold feel more like a real tablet than ever before. According to multiple leaks, Samsung may release two different Fold 8 models. One will be the traditional design, refined from previous generations. The second, and this is where it gets interesting, is rumored to be wider, almost like a small tablet when unfolded. And that raises the question, which one is actually going to change the game? And could it be the Fold Samsung always wanted to make? Weight has always been a problem for foldables. These new leaks suggest Samsung is targeting around 200 grams, much lighter than previous Fold devices. To do that, they might be using a carbon fiber reinforced chassis, strong, yet extremely light. But here's the catch. Lighter phones are easy to break if not done right. So Samsung has to balance thinness, durability, and strength perfectly. And now the big one, the display. Foldables have always had one major flaw, the crease in the middle of the screen. Leaks suggest Samsung may finally reduce it by up to 20% with a dual UTG, ultra-thin glass structure. But that's not all. Tipster Ice Universe claims they're testing a new display panel that could make the crease almost invisible, even from certain angles. And there's one more detail that could make the Fold 8 display next level, but we'll get to that in a moment. The wider Fold could feature an 8-inch inner screen, which would make multitasking, watching videos, and gaming feel much closer to a small tablet than a phone. It could even make the outer cover screen feel more like a normal smartphone instead of that narrow fold look we've seen before. But here's the kicker. Wider displays often cause battery and performance issues. So how will Samsung handle that? Leaks suggest a 5,000 milliamp hours battery, up from 4,400 milliamp hours in the previous Fold. It's not a massive jump, but with such a big screen, every extra milliamp matters. On the performance side, the Fold 8 is expected to run on Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, promising smoother multitasking, gaming, and better battery efficiency. But here's something most people are missing. Battery life isn't just about capacity. It's also about software and display efficiency. And Samsung may have made major improvements there too. Cameras could also get a big upgrade. The telephoto may go from 10MP to 12MP with the same 3x optical zoom, and the ultra-wide could jump all the way to 50MP, making low-light and wide-angle shots much sharper. The main camera stays at 200MP, but refinements could make images even more detailed than the previous Fold. And here's a small detail that could surprise a lot of people. The Fold 8 may borrow tech from the Galaxy S26 Ultra cameras, giving you flagship-level quality in a foldable. So when you put it all together, lighter design, wider fold option, nearly crease-free display, stronger battery, and upgraded cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might finally be the foldable that feels complete instead of compromise. But the real question remains, will Samsung actually pull all of this off, or will the Fold 8 still leave us wanting more? We'll be watching closely, and when the full specs drop, it could completely change the conversation around foldable phones.